Welcome back to Good Day, everyone. We're live here in Americus, where we've been all week long. Guys, I've been doing a little Christmas browsing. I've been eating some delicious food, but we've been highlighting a few of the wonderful local businesses that they have down here in downtown Americus. And all week long, we've been mentioning this Christmas open house that they've got coming up tomorrow. And here to tell us all about it is Angie Singletary. She has been working so hard to put it all together. So, Angie, what do you have planned for tomorrow for folks down here in Americus?
We have a lot to do tomorrow night downtown. We have all of our shops are going to be open late until 8 tomorrow night to shop. We are going to have street trolley rides that will go throughout the streets of downtown Americus. We have beautifully windows decorated downtown.
They are beautiful.
They are. Have you had a chance to get by?
I had the maze snow in South Georgia. Who knew?
Georgia, yes, absolutely. It's going to be a great time by all. A lot of our merchants have refreshments for folks to come out and enjoy, so it's really fun. Santa will be arriving at 4 p.m. tomorrow.
Hear that, kiddos? He's watching. Hope you're being good.
Yes. We have a giant Christmas tree this year that's 22 feet tall that will be lighting at 7 o'clock, so we're really excited about everything going on.
Yeah. A big Christmas tree.
It is.
I know, of course, downtown Americus is just a beautiful area. Great just to kind of walk around in, but some Christmas shopping. And you mentioned these stores are going to be open a little later than usual.
Yes, they are. They're open late. They're staying open until about 8 or 8:30, just until everybody goes home. Mm-hmm. We have a Downtown Dollar giveaway that we'll be doing where you go to 10 different shops and get your card stamped, and you'll be eligible to win $500 in Downtown Dollars to spend downtown to Christmas shop. So
certainly would help out during the holidays. Now, do you have to be present so the win? Do you have to stick around until that drawing?
No, we'll call you the next day.
Awesome. Talk to me about this Christmas tree, 22 feet tall, and you said this is the first year you've done the tree?
It is, and Santa will be there, and we will have the Southwest Civic Chorus there singing Christmas carols while we light the tree, and it'll be great.
I love it. And of course, the history in downtown Americus, just beautiful architecture that you got down here. But talk to me about tickets. Do people have to buy tickets? Do they have to pay to get into, all these great little shops that are staying open later?
No, everything is absolutely free. Santa is free. You get a free picture with Santa. The food is free. The registration is free. So everyone is invited to come out and enjoy. We have people from all over Southwest Georgia coming, so we would like to invite everyone to come out.
Certainly. I'm loving that free word. Of course, they've already got some beautiful Christmas decorations here in the visitor center that they've got, and we're talking all about the big open house that they've got going on again tomorrow. We've got more details for you coming up in a little bit. First, Kelly, back over to you. Welcome back to Good Day, everyone. We're live here at the Visitor Center in downtown Americus, and can you believe it? We're already talking about Christmas. They've got their big Christmas open house coming up tomorrow. Here to tell us all about it is Angie Singletary. But Angie, most of the businesses, shops, restaurants, all that jazz that you got going on down here are participating in this open house, but so is the Visitor Center, which is where we are right now.
Yes, absolutely. We have over 35 businesses that are going to be participating tomorrow night, and then the Welcome Center, we're getting ready. I have workers in the back getting all the little final touches on. But
they woke up nice and early for us.
They did. So we're in the Visitor Center, like you said, Melanie, and we have lots to offer here for the entire county, not just downtown Americus. Sure. And so we have a few items here that we have for Christmas open house. We have our Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and you're probably too young to remember that, Melanie. But
I love some Charlie Brown.
But anyway, we're very excited about it. Everything begins tomorrow night. 6 to 8 is our open house. Santa comes from 4 to 6 down at the Rylander Park, which is just 2 blocks down. So everything is walking distance. So we're really excited. All of our windows are decorated beautifully. We were up late last night strolling the streets, putting the final touches on, and I saw people in their windows still hanging stuff. So it's going to be a great time. Everybody's very excited about it.
And even if you're one of those crazy people like my mom who gets all their Christmas shopping done before Halloween, it is just a gorgeous city. I mean, not only do you have the beautiful architecture, but again, as you said, the Christmas decorations. Who needs to go to New York City and look at all those department stores? You've got them right here.
Exactly. So everybody needs to come out and just check those out, if nothing else. So
Certainly. But we are here at the Visitor Center, and as you can see, we've got this beautiful little gift shop behind us, highlighting a bunch of local businesses, not only, as you said, here in Americus, but all of Southwest Georgia.
Right. We have information and souvenirs from Plains, Georgia, Andersonville, Leslie. We have some Jimmy Carter signed books if you want to get a book for someone special for Christmas. We have souvenirs from Americus, Georgia. We have some Georgia Bulldog stuff. So anything from the state, anything you want. We have a lot of people come through. About 1,000 a month come through here. So we're excited, and we hope to double those numbers tomorrow night. So.
Certainly. Again, it starts at 4 o'clock. Yes. Don't need tickets.
No, absolutely. Everything is free. So, thing I'd like to mention too is our street trolley. We have an old-fashioned street trolley like in the downtown Savannah, and it's an open-air trolley, and so we'll be having Christmas carolers singing on that. So come out and bring the kids and take a free ride on that. Everything is free, no tickets or anything.
Love it. I know Thanksgiving, exactly 1 week from this open house. Christmas, gonna be here before you know it. We're getting you in the spirit down here in America. It's gonna be a good time and free. It's all coming on live tomorrow, because it's happening in real life. It's tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Come on down, get some Christmas shopping, and get into the holiday spirit. We'll be back right after this.